This Spotlight on Investments is sponsored by Financial Independence Group. Our products are strong, but our strength is in our people. For more information, please visit joinfig.com. Registered investment advisors, or RIAs, saw their assets under management, or AUM, jump 28% to an average of $174 million last year, up from $136 million in 2008, according to the 2010 RIDEX SGI Advisor Benchmarking Annual Study. A survey of RIAs found that AUM is the top goal for 53% of respondents, while 42% expect their AUM to improve between 11% and 50% over the next 5 years. Meanwhile, nearly 80% expect growth to be fueled by referrals. In addition, 79% of respondents listed finding new clients as their greatest challenge, followed by government overregulation at 71% and investments in technology at 68%. When asked to list areas that need improvement, 47% of RIAs listed client acquisition, while nearly half cited marketing. The study also found that profit margins remain near 2008's level of 19%, although revenues fell from previous highs and expenses rose slightly. Finally, 31% of those surveyed said they are responding to challenging business conditions by cutting down on compensation for their principals and instead reinvesting the money into their business. Bank of America believes its advisors should focus on selling a variety of financial products to its customers, according to CEO Brian Moynihan. The company will focus its efforts on cross-selling products to different segments of its customer base, a trend that began with its purchase of Merrill Lynch. Since the acquisition took place during the financial crisis, Bank of America has sold more of its own products, such as checking and savings accounts, home mortgages, and loans, to Merrill customers. So far in 2010, 61% of Bank of America advisors have sold 4 or more banking products to their new clients, compared with only 5% during the same period last year. Meanwhile, the company's advisors have sold 171,690 banking products to wealth management clients so far this year, up from just 2,821 products during the same period in 2009. Finally, Moynihan says that the company's wealth management division has experienced a 7% increase in its mortgage production over the last year, compared with a 30% decrease in the overall mortgage market. The vast majority of investors want fiduciary rules to apply to both brokers and insurance agents, according to a recent survey of 1,319 investors by Opinion Research Corp and Infogroup. 90% of respondents favored a universal standard of care, while 91% said they believe that brokers and investment advisors should follow the same protection rules, and 96% believe the same rules should also be applied to insurance agents. Meanwhile, 97% of those surveyed said financial professionals should focus on investor interests ahead of their own, along with increased transparency of fees and conflicts of interest. In addition, more than half of investors are unclear about the various standards of care that different advisors must meet, while approximately 60% said they assume that insurance agents and stockbrokers are already held to a fiduciary duty, which is not the case. For more industry spotlights, visit producersweb.com.